Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious arroz con pollo. In case you guys want to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 4 pieces of chicken thighs, 1 cup of white rice, 1 cup and a half of chicken broth, 2 chopped Roma tomatoes, a quarter of a small purple onion chopped, 1 red or green bell pepper chopped, a handful of chopped cilantro, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a quarter teaspoon of chili flakes, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin, your favorite chicken seasoning, and black pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by seasoning our chicken thighs. Now my chicken thighs come with no bone. If you buy them with bone, you can use them. So now we're just going to create 3 slits. Or just 2. And now we're just going to season it with our favorite seasoning. I'm using Chef Merito. So just make sure you season them real well. So both sides. And with black pepper. Alright, so once our chicken thighs are nice and seasoned, now we are ready to begin cooking. Alright guys, so first we're going to grab our medium frying pan. We're going to set it on medium-high heat and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. So we're just going to wait for that to heat up and then we can begin cooking. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to place our chicken. And now we're going to cook our chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over. And we're going to cook that side for another 3 minutes. Alright guys, so after 3 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken from the oil. And now we're going to add another tablespoon of oil. We're going to add our bell pepper and our onion. Mix it, move it around. Cook it for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add our minced garlic. Mix it. Okay, we're going to add our tomatoes. Move it around. So we're just going to cook it for another 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes, I'm going to add another tablespoon of oil. And at this point, we're going to add our rice. So we're going to fry our rice. Okay, so we're just going to cook everything together for about 4 minutes. Alright, so after 4 minutes, we're going to add our chicken broth or water. We're going to add all of our spices. Going to mix it. I'm going to add a little bit of chicken bouillon, but you can add salt. Try it and see if it needs more salt. For me, it's perfect. So now we're just going to return our chicken back to the rice. add all the liquid as well. We're going to add our bay leaves. We're going to cover it and reduce the heat to the lowest setting. And now we're just going to let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, so it's been 28 minutes. At this point, our arroz con pollo is done. And let me tell you that it smells delicious. So I'm just going to remove the bay leaves. And we're going to turn it off. And now we're just going to sprinkle our cilantro. So now we're just going to cover and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and then we can serve. Alright guys, so once we're ready to serve, we're just going to grab our piece of chicken with the rice. Look at that. Looks so delicious and smells delicious. And it's still a little hot, so you want to let it cool down for a little bit. So like that your rice can set. But that's basically, you can serve it with some salad or just with some tortillas. And now we're ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. Let me tell you that it smells delicious. The chicken, super tender. Look at that. Falls apart so easy. I'm ready. Enjoy. So flavorful. The rice, it's perfect. Everything, it's seriously the best. So delicious. If you don't want your plate to be spicy, just add a little bit of the chili flakes. For me, this is just perfect though. Hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious arroz con pollo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.